Okay guys, here it is. The world's toughest oil change on a motorcycle. 2016 GSXS1000F. Fairing bullshit, okay? I've tried changing the oil, the filter in particular, just by pulling back the fairing. Just prying it on the back here, or on the bottom rather. And pain in the ass, very difficult. Don't recommend it. This time round, I've taken the fairing off. It's on the left side. It's best on the left side. And you start with taking this piece off, right here. There's 3 bolts, 3 screws, and it pulls out with a little prying. That exposes the inside clips and screws to the fairing. And yeah, what a pain in the ass. Okay, I've never seen a motorcycle so difficult to change this filter in amongst the header. Just crazy. So I highly recommend taking the left fairing off. So much easier. You can get access to that filter. Okay. I'd go through each step with the screws and everything, but I gotta hold the camera and a little frustrated at this point. So that's basically it. I got the filter in and I'm gonna put it back together. I just thought I'd share that with you. By all means, take the fairing off if you want to do an oil change on a 2016 GSXS 1000F. Thanks for watching.